With the claw.
Ouch, it's hot.
It's hot?
Yes, it's okay, I don't care.
Just remove the claw.
Bakit? Oh my gosh, dapat yung cover. Ito naman, start agad ng ganyan. Yung cover ang tanggalin agad.
It's hot.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ba, hindi marunong din kumain ng
Ano ba?
daddy.
I'm getting confused now.
Ang daklo? May daklo. Yung cover niya, liga mo naman. Na-cover naman. Ang masarap yan. Come on, just,
Oh.
yeah, remove it. Let's see if it's mataba.
Like
Go, just
that.
remove it.
Oh, this one?
No, just remove it just like what Dad did. That's the reason why I'm asking you to follow him.
I can't see while
Ano man,
I
just,
can't see while doing it.
Yeah.
hindi siya mataba. Kasi you would see pag mataba, orange.
Remove it.
Wow.
Just remove it,
Wow. Which one? The head?
This one. That
Okay,
one.
okay.
Detach.
There.
Okay.
Yes,
This
alright.
one.
And then,
That is this one. See?
look at what Daddy is doing.
There. Open it.
Then
like
open
this.
it.
Ooh.
Hindi siya mataba. Oh, this one mataba. Look, do you see the egg? Egg ba tawag dyan sa ganyan or pat?
Egg?
Egg.
Egg ba yan?
Yeah.
What do you mean by egg?
Yun yung orange. Yan yung taba.
What's a good
I
word?
call it taba.
No,
that
was
Ano no? Oh my
This one is a crab. This crab meat.
Yes! There you
Dad, it
go.
was giving birth?
No!
It's not
I,
egg.
That's all the
I
meat?
don't think that it's the egg. I don't know what it's called, pero masarap yun.
And
Ayan,
then-
and then,
In half.
yeah. Cut it
Split
half.
it in half.
Okay. Break it.
It's hot. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot.
Ano ba tong bata?
It's hot.
Bakit si Daddy? Eh, pareho lang naman na crab.
Dad has rough hands. He can handle hot. Ow.
Bakit kasi palm? Sabihan mo nga na yung fingers lang.
Yes, I'm breaking my fingers.
You're breaking your fingers.
I am break. Did I
No, no,
just?
jump, jump.
No.
Like force it in the middle. Like this.
Okay,
Pour it
okay.
like this, like this.
Ano ba yan?
Cut it in like this. See?
There you go.
Okay.
Now.
Mom, it's hot.
Now
Bakit si Daddy?
Now,
Okay,
this
okay.
is this a meat?
Just
Yes, there
remove.
you go. Eat it.
Remove
How
this
does
one.
How does it taste? Is it good?
Tastes like fish.
Remove this ones. Remove this one.
Which one?
The
These ones.
spongy one. Yeah. Just break
Yan
it.
na. O, yan na. Banta na.
Oh, that's meat. I want to have some.
Oh,
Yeah.
yan.
Just do like this.
sure.
Remove. Yes.